What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. You can do me if possible, could you do me a massive favor? Don't know why I'm not moving, because I don't really feel like it. And just subscribing. It's so simple. And liking it. I mean, please. You don't have to. And subscribing, you can always unsubscribe. It's so easy. Just takes one click. As you can see, I moved into a totally new village, and I made a totally new house. You guys shut up. Shut up. And I'm gonna be exploring this village for the first couple of minutes or seconds. Not even a minute in. In the blacksmith. Diamonds, what? Oh my, yes. Yes, oh my, yeah. Okay, I'm so putting this back in my chest at home. I really need to sort out my inventory. Can you guys shut up? Okay, that doesn't know. Shut up. I can make it so I can share, because people have been popping in and out. First of all, oh dang it, I need more wood. How much wood? Okay, I can't make another chest. Why do I have 64? I'm not complaining. 1. Nice, this is gonna be my special chest. Quite special, you know? Gap. Chests aren't very special. So a pickaxe, used for a lot of mining. Well, not that much, but quite a good amount. Then put those 62 rest in there. That's all nice. There's a wandering trader. Sick. Why can't I move? No, thank you. I did not mean to do that. Now I'm gonna go try to Enderman. No. No. Why? What's wrong with that sword? I know. Finally. Come here. Come here, Sonny. Okay, I'm running. Scared. Yeah, he's not that scared. Thank you very much, sir. Did he? No. Okay, I'm going to sleep. Hey, I have a kind of brother. I have a roommate. Hey, hello. Don't get out. Get out. Oi, get out, sir. Why are there so many people in my house? Yeah, get out. My bed. Yeah, I only have one button. stay up. My house. See, that's what happens. When you don't pay your rent. I want to kill you. I hope the Iron Golem doesn't kill me. I'm gonna go look, actually, food. Well, not food. Now I'm gonna go look for, like a ravine or something. So guys, if I find one, you will never guess what I just found. A ravine! I'm gonna jump. 3, 2, whatever. Whee! I hope I just don't fall into lava. Okay. What building blocks do I have? I mean, I have like 64 cobble. You know, just in case. Why would I use them now? No. Ooh, this looks promising. Ooh. Why is there already a torch down? That was the same in the other thingy place. More torches? Guess I'm just gonna follow the torches. Whoa. Okay, lava. And the torch down. Why are so many torches? Is it a sign? I'm sorry. That's a diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means I have 10. Okay, I'm gonna go up here. Torches equals good. I'm gonna follow the other torches. Hopefully that means even more. Whoa. Yes! I was about to say, I bet these are natural diamonds. But, of course they are. This looks a bit weird, you know? Wait, did they go in the lava? Aww. Dude, there's another one? Okay, don't want to go. Dude, if I died with all these, I want to drop that. I have... How many diamonds do I have? There are no torches here, but that's a ton of gravel. Yeah, and lapis. That could be quite useful. So when I make an enchanting table. Redstone, that means diamonds, hopefully. Boink, boink. Da da da. That's where I found those diamonds, so I think I'm gonna climb back up here. Try to see more torches. Don't think there are any more torches. That's pretty sad. Although there could be diamonds where the torches aren't. Okay, nice. Can I come up, please? Think I'm gonna go up because I'm pretty happy with those diamonds. Boing, 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 boing. No. Yay. Oh, he's so cute. I want to keep him. Those slimes, like, or baby slimes always follow you. Have you ever thought, what? No! Where's the baby slime? Aw, is he dead? I think he might be dead. I'm gonna make a, like, stairway thing for me to get up. Because I need to get up. Yeah, I think he died. See you guys when I get up. So, oh, what? I don't really care. So, now that I'm back, someone come in. Yeah, you can come in. Come in. Whatever, I'm just gonna put that on there. 15 diamonds. Because... where's the iron golem? Because... too old to do this stuff. You know, me, I'm 82. My only friends. Don't try to kill my friends. Stop it. No! You got a shovel, I got a sword. Dude, the iron golem is just there doing absolutely nothing.